Latitude and longitude. We are talking about these two terms today, and this is a figure of our Earth, and we have divided these into latitude and longitude for certain measurement computation. So basically latitudes and longitudes are angles. They are angles, and both use the center of the Earth as the vertex, but they use a different zero reference. We'll see it now. Latitude gives the location of a place on the Earth north or south of the equator. North or south of the equator, these are the latitude. Red lines, these are the latitudes. And latitude is an angular measurement in degrees. We mark it with this sign, and ranging from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at the poles. So 90 degree north for the North Pole, or 90 degree south for the South Pole. This is how North Pole, South Pole, these are the angles. From the equator, these are the latitude angles. These are actually the angles which we are talking about. So talking about the equator is an imaginary circle drawn around the planet at a distance halfway between the poles. So the equator divides the planet into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The latitude of the equator is by definition this 0. So 4 lines of the latitudes are named because of the role they play in geometrical relationship with the Earth and the Sun. These are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. This is how they are. Now coming to longitude. Longitude describes the location of a place on Earth east or west of a north-south line called the PM, prime meridian. Longitude is given as an angular measurement ranging from 0 degree at the PM, prime meridian, to plus 180 degree eastward and minus 180 degree westward. So in 1884, in the International Meridian Conference, adopted the Greenwich meridian as the universal prime meridian, or 0 point of longitude. So this is a North Pole, and these lines are our longitude. This is west longitude, east longitude. This is G, Greenwich mean, that is 0 degree longitude. So there are certain differences also between latitude and longitude, and the circumference of Earth declines as the latitude increases from the equator. This is not the case with the longitude. This is how it decreases. This means the miles per degree, or the distance per degree of longitude, changes with the latitude. So this makes determining the distance between 2 points identified with the longitude more difficult. So computing distance or computational things based on longitude are somewhat difficult. So hope you got the idea of longitude and longitude. Thank you so much.